Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahma Safitri from 5BA English Department. In this opportunity, I would like to present about the research variable. First of all, I would tell you about the definition of the research variable. The research variable is the object of a research or what is the attention of a research point. Or based on Bonsted 1982, variables are the characteristics of people, objects, or events that differ in the values found in that person, object, or event. Basically, research variables are anything in the form determined by the research to study, so the information is obtained about it. Then conclusions are drawn. So, this variable in a study research became the determining point for the research framework used. Next, there are two types of the variable. First is categorical variable, second is continuous variable. For the first, we will talk about the categorical variable. A categorical variable or the variable whose selection is carried out categorically by taking into account qualitative difference. This variable doesn't have a fraction. The number of the variable categories can be two or more. So, the categorical variable is a variable in the form of the categorizing or group based on the types of the data. This variable also contains the number of the categories of data. For example, based on the table, the categorical of the gender are male and female. And the other example is a categorical of the metal chemical, such as aluminum, silver, suphrum, iron, and etc. Then a continuous variable. A continuous variable is a variable that is often referred to as a quantitative variable, which is a continuous variable which has a value that is related or exists in several levels, less to more, and can apply numbers or numerals to different individuals or objects to indicate how many variables do they have. At least, this variable has a hierarchical value and can be expressed in a fraction. So, this variable can be operated mathematically. Data for continuous variable are obtained for the process of the measuring. And then the classification of the continuous variable. First is the ordinal data, second is interval data, and then is a ratio data. For the first is a ordinal data. Ordinal data is a ranking data. For example, is ranking 1, 2, 3. The rank numbers 1, 2, 3 have a higher or lower meaning. For example, students who get rank 1 are certainly better than students who get rank 2. What needs to be noticed is that we can add up rank 1 and 2. And the second is interval data. Interval data is data that can be used in the arithmetic operation. In addition, interval data have a clear distinction between each data. For example, if the one credit is given 50 minutes, the subject with a total of the 2 credits is given 100 minutes. And the third is a ratio data. A ratio data is a measurement data that can also be used in the calculation operation. The number in the ratio data are real number, not only as a symbol. For example, the weight data, height data, and others. This is an example of the continuous variable. Based on the table, there are a height of the student such as 172 centimeter, 167 centimeter, 180 centimeter, 170 centimeter, 199 centimeter, and etc. And the other example is the weight such as 50 kilogram, 40 kilogram, and etc. And score length is used centimeter and meter. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. I'm so sorry if I have a mistake. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.